Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your brackets here and you're going to insert them into each other. Okay, so these had a little piece of plastic and I just pulled that off. And once you do that, you can flip this piece up. And then you take your bracket and you just slide it right in. Okay, now you just close these up and we're going to go bring this over to our toilet seat.
Okay, so all you need to do is remove your existing toilet seat. It should unscrew from underneath.
Okay, so it's a good time to clean over there and everything because it gets nasty. You're gonna need these pieces now in a second, but you're going to start by just inserting it right through the hole. And of course yours, if you don't have a bidet sprayer, won't have this to contend with. And then you can screw these in underneath. Okay, at this point you're going to need your 5/8" wrench or 16 millimeter, depending on what units you use. And we are going to go ahead and tighten the plastic piece under the bowl. Now, I'm going to try to get a picture of this, but the lower portion is apparently going to snap off when you tighten it enough. So what I really like about these, we had one for our old house, and I really like there's a magnetic piece, so it kind of sucks it on, so you don't have to worry about it coming down. And when the kid's ready to use the potty, he can put it like that. It's got a little bit of a curve if you have little boys, but you do have to teach them to point down because you don't want them shooting up the front, which is typical issue for potty training boys regardless. So again, you just put it up and down and it stays there pretty well. I am very happy with these seats. We had an elongated one at the old house, and this one was a small, this is a round toilet, so we had to buy this one and install it. So again, really awesome product, and doesn't impact anyone's ability to put those down either. So you know how we had to tighten it and the piece broke off? Well, the nice thing about this toilet seat is you don't actually have to unscrew it to take it off and clean. So all you have to do is pop up these backs and just pull it straight out, because this bracket can go in and out. That way you can pull this toilet seat off, clean it, and then snap it right back on without worrying about a new plastic screw and little bit thing. So super easy. Ta-da!